Bonjour everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Haitian rice and beans, also known as Diri Kole. In a large pot, add some red kidney beans and a generous helping of water. Let this boil on medium-low heat for about 30 to 45 minutes. You'll know the beans are ready when they start to split and they're really soft. Now drain the beans and reserve the water. In a pot, add some cooking oil and begin sauteing some garlic, parsley, and scallions. You can also use Haiting Epis, which I've already blended these ingredients, and you can shop at the link in the description. Next, I add some diced white onion and green peppers, and then I add in the beans. Saute for a couple minutes, and then add in garlic powder, Maggi Bouillon Cubes, some black pepper, and thyme. Then add back in the bean water, measuring 1.5 cups of water per 1 cup of rice. Next, add some bay leaves, parsley, sweet peppers, crushed or whole cloves, and once it starts boiling, it's time to add in your freshly washed rice. At this time, taste the water and see if it needs anything more. If not, let the water boil and cook the rice for about 7 to 10 minutes or until most of the water is completely absorbed. Then turn the heat down to low and let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. And voila! You have Haitian rice and beans. Let me know what you'd like for me to cook next. Bon appetit, everyone!